Hey, this is OpenBox and welcome to another video. Just before we get started, here's just a quick word from our sponsor. To get this, just please go check the link in the description and use my code 20OFF to get 20% off your next purchase at Future Industries. Alright, so today we'll be unboxing the Logitech G Advanced Gaming Set. I've actually had my eyes on this for quite a while and I really like it now that I'm actually using it. Alright, so it's just a G512 SE and a G502 SE. Really simple and I really like them. So here's a keyboard, mouse. Actually my package was damaged in the way it really annoyed me because now the box has a rip, but it didn't affect anything inside of it. That's just an empty box that just inside. I think they just put it just to fill in the space between the keyboard because there's not enough space for them. Right, so here are both of them. This bundle is basically just both of them in one instead of buying them separately. It actually saves you money. Both of them separately will cost you £100 and this bundle costs only £80, but it's only exclusive to Chorus PC World. The buttons on the actual keyboard is very loud. Like I tried using them in the night. Not like you cannot focus. It's pretty loud, but really if you're gonna use it for gaming, you can focus because they are really nice and clicky and very responsive. Okay, so the RGB on it is it's different to the G412. I remember getting that and it was only one color and it was only red, but the RGB on this is all the colors and it's nice. Okay, so this actually has two USBs at the end, so I actually didn't know why, but then I figured it out. So one was for the USB that came on the keyboard and one was for the actual keyboard, so that you don't have to plug in your mouse into the laptop straight away or PC. Alright, so there's one of my funny transitions. Alright, so this keyboard is very nice. It does feel really nice and its ergonomics is really nice. Feels very nice. Nice. Alright, so it has quite a lot of buttons on the side and quite a lot, and it's nice and clicky. It's not that loud like I thought it would be, but it's actually really nice. Yes, I'm saying nice a lot and I won't stop. So the mouse wheel has two different settings. There's one that actually stops every few, and there's just one where it just slides, yeah, like that. It's really weird, but nice feature. So the silver edition comes with this white secondary color. It's alright, I wouldn't say it's the worst. Kind of stands out and yeah, does its job. It's not that heavy. It's got a bit of weight to it, but not too much weight, so it's nice to move around, especially if you're doing productivity like editing. It's quite light, to be honest. Alright, so it has that button. I'm pretty sure that is for something that is like maybe shooting. You can configure it in your game, but no, I don't have use for it. So these are little weights, 3.6 grams, but I do not know where you put that. That is very weird, and I think you can open up the mouse or something like that, but not really sure of a way to put them in the mouse. Please comment down below if you know what to do with that. Please make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I upload quite a lot and I have a lot of gaming videos about peripherals. I'll be doing a 27-inch Samsung curved monitor soon, so please make sure to put notifications on to see that. Thank you.